So good day everyone. So I'm going to show you how to download your Visual Studio Code or VS Code. You're going to download it from your Google Chrome or Edge. If you're using laptop, that's for people using laptop. But for people using phone, you're going to download Trap Edit. So I'm going to search for Visual Studio Code now. So Studio Code. So wait for it to load. So as you can see, this is Visual Studio Code. Just click on it. Or just come, no word, just come in. You can see this window, click on it. So after you click on this is what you're going to see. So just click on, I'm going to click on download for Windows, install Gracila. So after you click on it, it's going to load at that download site. I'm going to download it. So after you download it, then go to your so you download in your PC. You understand? So after I come in, it's still loading. So you go to download your PC. After you go to download your PC, I'm going to see there. Just click on download. So you are going to see it there. But yeah, I didn't download anything. I already downloaded it. I already downloaded mine. So I hope you understand. After you downloaded or install your VS Code, this is for people using their laptop or PC. So after you download it, so there are some tools you are going to need for coding or in HTML. So the tools, you are going to download it in your extension. You can see this is the extension. You can see it indicates extension. So for you not to waste your data, I'm just going to recommend one tool for you. So you just download Go Live. This it. You can see this thing. Guys, it's help you to run your code to check how it is on your internet. So you just click on extension. I already downloaded mine. So just click on extension. Then click on extension. Then search for Go Live. Okay, let me see. This is an example. But I think okay, just download this one. Just download it. But this is not the one I downloaded. Let me check again. Let me check. Okay, let me check now. I want to see. Okay, sorry, just download. I'm going to download live server. So just search for live server. So not Go live server. So just download live server. Download live server. So you can see it right. Just click on it. Click on it. You see, I already installed mine. Just click on install and enable it. I already enabled mine. That's why. So click on install and put in auto update. So that is the one tool I'm going to recommend for you. So let's move to the how we are going to create an HTML file, how you are going to open a folder in your VS Code. So let's move on to that stage. Thank you for watching. So from here, we're going to learn how to open an HTML file. Since we already opened our folder, so you can see when I use my cursor to point at this, it shows new folder. But we wanted to create what? A new file. So you can see the second one, new file. Click on it. After you click on it, then name it any name you like, but it must end with .html. Don't forget we are dealing with HTML. There is hypertext markup language bar. So I will name my index.html. That index.html. Don't forget, everything you want to name your file must end with .html. So enter. So for an HTML file or HTML code, it follows a syntax, that is, it follows a pattern. It has a pattern that we call it HTML syntax. So for those people using your laptop or computer, so just on your keyboard, just click on shift 1. You can see it's going to give you this sign, then click on enter. So you're going to see all these codes. So this is how the pattern of an HTML file look like. So but for those people using your smartphone, I know that it's going to be stressful, so but sorry, so just try to, so you're going to copy all the codes, write it down, type it. So after that, we are going to move on to the tags, the HTML tags. Alright, so before moving on to the HTML tags, so you can see that in this place, you can see title, right? You can see title, it's document, right? But I want to name my own title. I want to name it like maybe my first website, my first HTML website. So let's say my first HTML website. So then don't worry, you are going to move to the tag soon. So one of the tags is h head tag and the p tag. The h1 tag, that is the h tag, and the p tag, and the h tag is classified into 6, which is decreasing according to, it's decreasing in fonts, that's the size of the font of the letters. We have h1, h2, h3 up to h6. So h1 has the biggest font and h6 has the lowest font. But for p tag, that is a paragraph tag, we call it paragraph tag, while the h1 tag or h tag, we call it heading tag. You understand? So you can see, because I connected my laptop to internet, that's why it's showing all these stuff. So let's just say h1, click on it. Just say my first HTML website. See that? So let's say, let us put some paragraph in it. So I'm going to use the p tag. So that will, let me just say, this is my first HTML website. So also, I already told you guys to install the Google, as in the live server, in your extension, right? So after you download it, it's going to show this icon. See, go live. So just click on Ctrl S to save your code, then click on go live. It's going to show you as in the preview of your codes. So the preview has opened. If you remember very well, our h1 tag, we entered my first HTML website, right? So if you check our p tag, this is my first HTML. That's what I wrote there. So you can see that the HTML tag, as in sorry, the H tag, the as in the head tag, that is H1 tag. You can see my first HTML website, right? So you can see my first HTML website, and the P tag, this is my HTML website. So this is the result. You can see this is my first HTML website. So I hope you understand. So you can just enter H2. If you enter H2, H3, H4, and put your, that's in heading tag 2, heading tag 3, up to 6, and input my first HTML website. You can see that, you just try it. You see that this is my first HTML website, which is the header. You know that it is bold very well. So it's going to reduce the font is going to reduce in size. It's going to reduce. You know that I told you that the heading tag from H1 reduces from H1 up to H6, meaning H1 tag has the highest font, that is biggest font, biggest size, while H6 has the smallest font or the smallest size. So your assignment is that you should create something like this, So you can see that this title, before it was document, right? If you remember very well, you can just scroll your video back. If you remember very well, you see that the title was document before. I changed it to my first website. If you check, just try it. You are going to see my first website. Now I've changed it to SRASS Coding Academy. So you can see here, right? SRASS Coding Academy. So your assignment is to build like this store, as in like this. I'll just go and build it like this and show me. So in your title, you can put any title you want to name your website. In your H, as in your heading tag, or H1 tag, or any tag you like. You can use H1, H2, up to 6. So you can put anything you like, and your P tag, that's your paragraph tag. That's the paragraph tag. So you can put anything you like there. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand.